Do you feel like you're not getting the best audio quality out of your microphone? If so, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And in this video, we're going to be going over 5 tips to help make your microphone sound way better. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Starting with tip number 1, microphone positioning. Make sure to place your microphone somewhere strategic. You don't want it right above your keyboard or right behind your keyboard where it's literally going to pick up everything. Also, pay attention to your microphone. Some microphones, like this, are meant to be picked up from the front, but also some of them are made to be picked up from the front and the side and maybe even the top. So make sure that you look up the pattern of your microphone so you know that you're using it properly. Tip number 2 is your gain on your microphone. You can adjust this up and down. Sometimes it's physically on the device. Sometimes you can do it in Windows. So make sure to adjust this properly to make sure if you need to, say, get rid of background noise, turn it down a little bit. If you're not being picked up well enough, or whenever you go to edit a video, you sound really, really quiet. Whenever you bump the volume up, you get a lot of, just distortion in audio. Turn your gain up. Doing this is going to make you have cleaner audio whenever you go to publish a video or say publish your audio, wherever that may be. Number 3 is post-production. You can edit your audio after you're done recording it, and this is something I suggest you do. Not all recordings are going to be perfect. There's going to be tons of background noise in some cases, and just some minor inconveniences or variances in the audio that just might not sound that good. So go ahead and mess around with post-production. You can do things such as compression, noise removal, and tons of other things that can help your audio sound awesome. Our last 2 tips are actually going to involve spending a little bit of money. The good thing is it's not a ton of money. This is not going out and buying a new microphone for $150. These are some adjustments you can make for literally under $20 for a piece for most of these items. So let's go ahead and talk about those. Tip 4 is a boom arm and a shock mount. These are super awesome because you can mount the boom arm to your desk and you can move it around. And the shock mount is actually going to eliminate vibrations. This is going to keep, if you accidentally bump your desk or accidentally bump whatever your boom arm and shock mount's attached to, it's going to stop that audio of you bumping the desk from being, rebounded and vibrating through the mic. Number 5 is a pop filter. These things are awesome and they eliminate what are called plosives. Plosives are sounds that come in with stuff such as buh, buh, puh, puh, and stuff like that. And essentially what it is, it's a little piece of fabric and it sits between your mouth and the microphone and it helps eliminate those plosives. We've also got a bonus tip for you guys, and that is literally right behind us. This is acoustic foam audio tiles. These are awesome because what they essentially do is they eliminate echo. So if that is something that is plaguing your audio, definitely give these a try. They can range anywhere from $25 a pack up to $150. So the quality of these definitely do vary, but give them a shot. I'll leave a link to some of those below. So alright guys, that's going to be all for this video on tips to make your microphone sound better. If any of these tips helped you or opened your eyes to how microphones are actually doing so many different things and what you can do to negate all these extra things that make your audio sound worse or make them sound better, then let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you liked, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.